What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here's my review for the Panasonic hair dryer EH-ND11. Normally my review can apply to any Panasonic hair dryer. Why? Because I'm going to mainly focus on the build quality, and then the main thing is that hair dryer is hair dryer. It need to dry the hair, isn't it? So this is a 1000 watt. Yes, you can get a 2000, you can get a 1500 watt, but the more watt, which means you're going to pay more electricity bill. For example, if I use this one every day for like few minutes, it costs me like 10 bucks per month. If I use the 1500 watt, it will cost me like 15 bucks, $5 extra. What should I pay? So I always try to get a hair dryer with the lowest watt as possible. So it have only a set mode, is fast and dry. At the back you can see it have a turbo and then dry. Isn't that awesome? Let me open my hair dryer. Okay, here we go. Here I go with my hair dryer. Okay, there's nothing much. It comes with a manual. And I think it's a warranty card. Okay, they say do not attempt to wrap the air cord around the main body when you store the product. It may damage the cord or the connector because of the extensor. Okay, they say do not do like this. Then how we need to wrap the cable? Anyway, leave it. So yeah, here is the hair dryer. As you can see, it seems quite good, to be honest with you. It's on or off. Okay, it have like one off. Yeah, it working. It's made in Thailand. It's good quality. Should you buy? Definitely yes. Subscribe and buy.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي